Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you about the dangers of waste that we produce every day. The first of all, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Winda Ayudhya Ramadina. I'm from SMP4 Banjarbaru and I live in Banjarbaru City. Do you know how much waste we produce every day? From plastic bottles to food wrappers, even plastic waste that's hard to decompose. In 2024, Indonesia produces around 76,000 tons of waste per day, or 27.74 million tons per year. How to solve this problem? The first is reduce. Reduce is reducing the use of goods or reducing waste production. The second is reuse. Reuse is a principle in waste management which means reusing items that are still suitable for use. The third is recycle. Recycle is the process of recycling or reprocessing waste into new raw materials that can be reused. Well, now you know, right? What information and how to solve it. Remember, as the golden generation, we must take care of our environment to keep it clean from the waste. We always remember, never underestimate the impact of waste, no matter how small or little it may seem. A waste-free golden generation, Jaya, Jaya, Jaya. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.